Perched high in park trees, buds about to pop, empty benches, gray heads gone. Talk of wars won and lost, of children born and children lost. Where have all the gray heads gone? Flying high above black empty spaces, rows of chariots once waited, quitting time, much anticipated, to carry the weary home. Where have all the weary gone? Fluttering about a place much loved, children scampered about, rides and swings and twisted things, shrieks of joy, such happy sounds. Where has our best hope gone? Perched on steeples high, songs of love once filled the air. Silently they stand, doors shut, greeters' hands closed. Where have the faithful gone? Lined atop a picket fence, where neighbors met to chat, of growing grass, of killing weeds, all important things. Where have all the neighbors gone? Fill your feeder now. Listen to each sweet song, sung through quivering throats. Songs of hope for tomorrow, and springs still to come. Do your do's, do your don'ts, always on your toes. Across our only world, flowers bloom, birds still fly, as will you and I.